tires there.
What's that?
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Whoa.
All right, let's give him,
Oh, good job.
that great
One
job.
more. Say hi, everyone.
Park.
We're at the park. That's right. Look at the park. Whoa. What do you have there? Is that a car?
Izzy.
Is that Izzy?
Huh?
We're at the park with Izzy. What cars do you have there? Let's see. Ooh, Blue Thunder.
Wow.
Ooh, and is that an ambulance?
Yes.
Wow.
A puppy.
A puppy and zombie.
Lucky.
Whoa. Whoa. You got any more?
Whoa. Do you see, Lorenzo? Look at that.
Oh, here comes the puppy. Whoa. Oh, look, Lorenzo, we could do the cars down this slide here. You want to do the cars down this slide? This is what the slide looks like. Whoa. All right, here comes the ambulance. Whoa. Who's next?
Puppy.
The puppy? Whoa. And zombie.
Isabella, first, let's push it. Ready? Wow. Ready? We'll go together. 1, 2, 3, go, Lorenzo, go.
Whoa. Good job. Look at all the cool stuff that we have here, Lorenzo.
We should try
That's
that.
a really cool thing, too.
Look at this, Lorenzo. It's a little wet, but that's okay.
Yuckies.
A little yuckies. Look at this terrain. See if you can ramp the cars off of this.
You gotta give us some power. Whoa.
Whoa. Nice. Whoa. Wonder what we'll find.
Puppy.
Oh, Isabella.
You think so?
A puppy.
Oh, what is that? I see tires.
A puppy.
I see tires there.
What's that?
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Blue Thunder, Lorenzo. Can you get that?
Yes.
What is he doing in there?
Whoa.
Wow.
Look at that.
What, Daddy?
Oh, is there another one? I see more tires.
Okay.
Whoa.
Get it in, yeah,
look
yeah.
at
Puppy.
that.
A puppy. A puppy.
A puppy, yeah.
I'm being and I got puppy and ambulance.
Here we go, zombie. Blue Thunder. Ooh. Zombie. Here goes the ambulance. Nice.
Puppy.
Puppy. Oh, puppy landed up. Whee!
Izzy.
Izzy's turn. Nice. Ambulance. Whoa! Blue Thunder.
Puppy.
Puppy. Ooh.
Wow.
Zombie. Nice. Ambulance. Let's see it go. Oh, look at that.
It's up.
Yeah, look, it got stuck. Oh! All right, who's next? Blue Thunder?
Yeah. Up.
Whoa!
Turn up. Turn up.
Here goes the puppy. Whoa! Nice.
Hey. Is she up them? Cause that.
Whoa, look at all the cars. Whoa.
Look at these cars.
Look at all of them. Which one's your favorite?
Wow.
Oh, zombie.
No.
This one's my favorite.
Almost.
I like red Max D. What's your favorite? Look at this 2 school bus. See the 2 school bus?
The cuts. My favorite is this.
Ooh, Pirate's Curse. Nice.
The mice.
Gravedigger.
The
Oh, you like
mice.
that one now?
The mice. Beep, 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 beep.
All right, Isabella, you go first.
Go, 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 go. Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, Lorenzo,
Whoa.
that was great.
Good job, Lorenzo.
Keep going, Lorenzo. Oh,
Whoa.
some of the tower. Got this, Lorenzo. Wow.
Look at that. Oh, you missed.
Keep going. Knock over the big one, Lorenzo. Knock it over.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Still got more standing.
Oh,
Whoa.
no, that was close.
Here comes zombie. Oh.
All right, let's get him.
Oh.
All right, let's get him.
Oh, good job.
That great
One
job.
more.
Let's do it a little slower so they can get this done. Go ahead, Isabel, you got this.
Whoa, so
Lorenzo,
close.
You do Max D.
Get a little closer, Lorenzo.
Lorenzo, get closer. One more standing. Isabel, this is your only shot. Oh, you have 2 shots. Oh.
Nice. Whoa! Whoa!
Dragon.
Dragon, all right, let's see. Whoa!
Great digger.
Here he comes.
Pirate purse.
Whoa!
Ambulance.
The ambulance. Ooh, Max D. Whoa! Son of a digger. Bigfoot! Bigfoot! Whoa! Bigfoot landed. Wow, that was a good song. I like that song.
Bounce.
Say hi, everybody. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Woo! I saw your face. You were scared, huh?
Yeah. Is he there?
Yeah, Izzy there. Look at that. You gonna play a song? All right, here we go. Ready? Whee! Whoa! Say wee! Put your foot right here. See your other foot? Put your foot there. There you go. There you go. Look at this. I think you could talk into that.
Subscribe about Lorenzo. I'm right here.
There you go.
I don't wait for grandma and I love you.
Good job. You sit right there. Yeah, me sit too.
Me sit too.
Yeah, baby pal.
I'm good at this.
Sit like this. You want to go up there? You could go that way. Look, you could go that way. You could go that way, or you can go that way. Which way do you want to go up? You want to go that way, or that way? Okay. Let's go that way. Good job. Look at that. Ooh. All right. Let's go down this slide. Oh, look, another seat. Want to sit?
Yes.
Me and you sit.
Hello.
Hello.
Nada.
Ready? Go. Whoa.
The mommy.
Where's mommy? Where's mommy?